YouTube friends. I have an unboxing for you, and if you know what DBI is. This came from I Love Dooney, or Dooney and Bourke Incorporated, and we'll see if they did me wrong this time. You know, I did not have a good unboxing last time. I hope I don't curse it by filming it. So sometimes it kind of feels that way, like if I film it, it's gonna not turn out. So fingers crossed. Here, oh good. So I hadn't opened this yet. They've got my info here. And can you guess what it is? You can see it now. This is the Darcy satchel in marine blue. Oh, that is beautiful. That looks pretty, and it's wrapped nicely. I hate the way they fold them though. So let's make sure it's not damaged. I might have to stuff this one for a while, huh? But it is factory wrapped, so that's a good sign. Little card. Here's the code number. Darcy satchel in marine. Now this one is a fabric, and I've always been kind of leery of getting fabric bags, but I do have some other denim bags that I do enjoy a lot, and they're fine. This one, I was going to Scotch guard it when I got it, but when I read the description, it said that it was actually already treated for water resistance, so that's good. So I probably don't need to Scotch guard it. And here's the tag right here. I think this was originally like $298 or something, and I obviously did not spend it. They had another sale going on, so I took advantage of that and picked this up. I am going to stuff this for a while because of the bend in the bottom. The way they packed it, but the leather, oh thank goodness, the leather on this one is nice. Normal Dooney leather, looks nice, beautiful. This comes in all sorts of colors. They have like a kind of a wheat color with a off-white. They've got I think it's a cream colored one where the handles and the base are black Saffiano leather, and it's got the black print. They had a lighter blue. What else did they have? I think they might have even had a black, but this one, I just love this one. This one kind of gives me a little bit of a Louis Vuitton vibes for their latest bags, their denim line. And so this has the key leash as usual. And let me cut this off here. Sure this strap is good before I get her all unpacked. It's funny, this one shipped out a few days later than my last Coach bag, and I got them on the same day. So kind of a thin strap. It's a 3-piece strap, so I'll probably take out that center section and just use it as a shoulder bag. And then inside the bag, you've got your normal setup with the zip and a slip. And then you have on this side a big slip pocket and a smaller one. And that is about it. But it's really comfortable. I think they said this was, oh, here's the little card. I think they said this was 1 pound, 8 ounces. So a very lightweight, good sized bag. I'm just going to restuff it with this stuff, and then I can get it shaped back for a few days before I actually use it. And that'll be fine. That is beautiful. I really like this. I think it'll be just a really good all-around shopping weekend bag. It's about 11 inches across, and let's see how high it is. Let me get my measuring tape. It's not turned around here. 9 inches high at the base, It is 11 inches at the top. It goes to 13 inches. So that's a good size bag. That could carry a lot. You could definitely get full-size wallet in there, an agenda, all sorts of things. It is really light. I like this. And there are feet, but the bottom is also the denim, so could get dirty. I might just Scotch guard the base of it just to make sure it stays nice, but beautiful. And then you've got the gold nameplate there. I like this quilted look here. What do they call that? I think just quilt. The quilt logo. But that looks really cute. So there you go. This is the Darcy satchel in marine blue from Dooney and Bourke. I hope you liked this unboxing. I'll come back later to show you what fits. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time. Okay, so before I change out of this bag, I'll show you what I have packed inside of it. And first off, I have this adorable little sheep here. This is from AliExpress, little bag charm. Isn't it cute? And all the little pieces move. His little arms and legs and ears move. He's just adorable. He's got the little rhinestone accents. Very cute. And I think it was like $3 or something. They have the cutest bag charms on there. So I'll show you how I have it packed. And so you can see everything fits in there very well. So I've got my glasses in this pocket. And in the zip pocket, I just have mask, tissue, and a lipstick for now, but it would hold a lot more. It's a very big pocket. And let's see here. Got my little agenda. That fits very nicely in there. And I have keys. I've got my little Dooney coin case, the zippered coin case, and in here I just have change and headphones. Super cute. And then I have this little pouch that I love. I got this from Marshall's recently. It was in a 3-pack, and it has a big one that's black and then a purple glittery one. But this is the perfect size cosmetic pouch. It was over in the purse section, and I just love it. So inside of it, I'm just using it as a catch-all for makeup. So I've got makeup in there, powder, lipstick, a mask, just normal catch-all type things. But it's just a really handy size. I love it. It's bigger than the Coach boxy cosmetic cases, so it looks a little bit more. And then in this pocket, I'm keeping my little Coach men's card case that I got as a gift with purchase. This thing is really handy. I love it. There's just something about it that I really like. It's lightweight. It does have leather on the interior, and it holds probably about 6 cards or more, but very cute. I'm not going to open it because it'll show my license and everything. And this is about the 4th time I filmed this section because I keep showing my license. But anyhow, it's the normal setup. You've got the key leash. And I don't like to put much more in this than I have because it does get heavy very fast. So even though this bag is super light because it's the denim with just the leather accents, once you start filling it up, because it does hold so much, it's easy to get carried away and make it a little bit heavy. But there you go. There's the beautiful Darcy in the marine blue Maxi Quilt pattern. And it's just the denim. And I did end up spraying the whole thing with Scotch Guard. And just be careful when you're doing that you cover the leather pieces so you don't have overspray. I usually just use like a paper towel or something. But I love this bag. I think I'm going to wear it a lot. And I have just been carrying it as a shoulder strap. So I took out the middle section because that made it really long, a very long crossbody. And for this size bag, I prefer to just have it as a shoulder bag because it's a little bit big for a crossbody for me. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.